Those desirous of meeting me in Bahrain should come on the 24th of May, the Friday. We decided to do an event there because we had covered all Gulf countries and missed out only on Bahrain. Even during my long stay in Dammam, I had never made it across the causeway to Bahrain. So we decided that we'll visit Bahrain. I hope to see you in Bahrain on the 24th of May, the Friday. If you'd like to meet me, kindly message us to the WhatsApp number given below or drop a mail to the email ID given below. Once again, I thank you for your support.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. Today I want to talk broadly about what's happening around the world, in the US and India, then dive a little bit down into something interesting. First, of course, Fed came out and said they're holding the rates steady. If anything, they will be having rate cuts, but there's no necessity of having a rate increase, which led to enthusiasm in the market of the gold surging, which powered the gold price to surge. And this kind of fluctuation is expected in the gold price to last for some time. You're not going to see any kind of stability in it. With the swaying of the wind and speculation of what's going to be happening regarding the interest rate, you can expect gold prices to swing either way. So, this is something to keep in mind. And as far as the inflation data is concerned, it's been proven to be a lot more sticky than what the Fed has imagined. Though he's reiterated that he's not too worried about the inflation, the rate doesn't seem to be where they want it to be. It's been rather sticky. So we have to see if this is going to be something that is prolonged, or as he expects, it starts tickering down without any much fuss. So the next few months are going to be interesting. While the data has not been promising so far, coming out from the American economy, as far as inflation is concerned, the Fed seems to be more positive and more optimistic. So this is a note we're hitting. Though analysts are there in all three camps, one that say there will be rate cuts, another saying they will be holding this till the end of the year, the other saying even possibly a rate increase is there. Now, the rate increase does seem more unlikely, and the rate cut seems unlikely. More seems to be like the Fed is going to be sitting on this tight. But even if you take all that into consideration, the rates are rather high. Please do keep in mind we are already at very painful levels. So what is happening is it's not getting more painful, but we are already very painful where as far as interest rates are concerned. And the world has not seen these kind of interest rates, and you can see what is happening to the Japanese yen to give you a kind of an idea what it is when interest rates start rising and if you're not able to keep in tandem with the world's largest economy. So this is something to keep an eye on as we play out the next few months this year. The next thing which I wanted to hit on was Freshworks. Their stock stumbled 25% on the news that Mathrubootham Girish is stepping down as CEO and effectively, and Dennis Woodside, who was previously a president in Freshworks, has been stated as to be the CEO. While Girish has said he is more interested in the new product development and long term product vision, and he'll focus on other things as a new executive chairman, while Dennis will take care of the running of the company day to day. While Dennis has also come out saying he's not trying to continue the existing vision, but he's planning to bring some new ideas to the table. But this has led to severe stock price correction of 25%. There's also been lots of news about the class action lawsuit, which is there on this. But more than diving into that, which I'm sure you can Google and read, I just want to tell you if you are holding on to Freshworks shares, I highly recommend that you look at exiting, which is what Anand has been saying for some time. If you had managed to do that when Anand was talking about it, you should see some handsome returns. Those of you who have been holding on to it might be feeling a little sore right now. So that's regarding Freshworks. Meanwhile, Godrej news is Rashid Concussion Anorji, who is age 72, has decided to gift off most of his shares of the Godrej Group companies to his nephews and niece, and that is valued around to be around $4 billion. And he's planning to give it away because he doesn't have any legal heirs directly, and he's decided to give it off to them and move on. So that was the main news in Godrej. Of course, share prices in Godrej, if I listed shares, have been, some of them have gone down, some of them have gone up. It's all based on this news. What will be interesting is these the next gen leaders of Godrej who are going to be running this company, and to see their vision and what they plan to do with this company. If you are already shareholders of Godrej in these companies, then it will be of interest to you to keep an eye on this and see what is happening. If you're looking at an opportunity to enter Godrej, I would probably wait till we have more clarity on how these companies heading now with the new leadership into place. in the IT realm, what we have is Tech Mahindra joined hands with a Spanish-based company which is specializing in CRM and offering business transformation solutions called Atento, and they plan to offer generative AI-powered services through this. And they also seem to try to get their beaks wet in AI, as everyone seems to be trying to do this nowadays. Wipro, meanwhile, has bagged a multi-million-dollar deal from Nokia, which is secured recently. So the deal involves building a bespoke AI-powered cloud-based solution for Nokia's workforce, comprising around 86,700 users across 130 countries. So revenue of operations has also marginally increased to 22,208.3 crores in the March quarter compared to preceding quarter the same year. Sun Pharma is facing a 1.1 crore tax demand over disallowed tax input credit. So that is, the company has come out and assured shareholders and stakeholders that this demand will not significantly impact financial position and operations activities. Vedanta plans investments worth 20 billion in India over the next 4 years. This is what the chairman Anil Agrawal has said. He stands committed behind Vedanta, and he's promised that he's going to turn around this company, and that is something to wait and watch to see what happens. These are all the news which is related to America and India. Now I wanted to jump in quickly about something interesting which I read. It was Berkshire Hathaway's Ajit Jain and the role he's had in Berkshire Hathaway. There's also news and rumors that he might be the next one heading after Warren leaves. And the reason why I want to talk about this is it's of interest to all of us, what happens in Berkshire Hathaway, especially if Warren's exit. Last video I had spoken about the other two, and today I thought I'll talk about Ajit Jain. Ajit Jain runs Berkshire Hathaway's insurance operations, providing the financial backbone that underpins the company's diverse portfolio. It is their cash cow, which gives them the cash which they require, so much so to invest in all the other businesses Warren keeps investing in, including businesses like Geico, National Indemnity, and Genray. Jain's strategic decisions always been making, such as increasing exposure to potential hurricane risks in 2023, which greatly has contributed to Berkshire's underwriting success. Warren Buffett trusts immensely. He maintains a hands-off approach to most of Berkshire's businesses, but he directly oversees the insurance arm. And him and Jain have been having daily calls for years, reflecting his trust with Jain's ability. So Jain's success in guiding the insurance sector is attributed to his underwriting skills and the company's significant balance sheet. Underwriting skill is what basically insurance business is based on. I'm sure most of you know what underwriting is. Despite being beyond retirement age, Jain continues leadership in strategic bets, including the reinsurance deal of Lloyd's of London, having yielded significant returns to Berkshire. He's contributed at critical business models which rely on cheap capital from insurance premiums invested them into stocks and other assets. So this is how he's been fundamental to Warren's moves for the last few years. But it's important to realize that he's 72 years old and his retirement poses significant challenges for Berkshire's insurance business, and the contenders like Peter Eastwood, Todd Combs suggest as potential successors. It all based on their ability to manage the entire insurance operation that's maintained. Berkshire's strategic edge is crucial because, like I said, insurance is a cash cow because people pay in premium and you only have to pay out when things go wrong. And as long as things don't go wrong, you keep getting free cash flow, and the float is huge for companies like Geico and the other ones that I had mentioned. So the future of Jain and his vast business experience is up for grabs because he is 72 years old and he, like Warren, is climbing up in age and he may not want to hang around, or he may take on other leadership positions. So when it comes to this, who's going to be running Berkshire Hathaway's insurance arms is something of great interest because that is the backbone, like I said, to Warren's empire. So this is another thing which I wanted to hit on today to tell you not only is Warren's exit important, but who is planning to run the insurance after Warren's exit and who's going to oversee that huge vast empire of Berkshire Hathaway's insurance arm is also something we should keenly watch and keep an eye on. So thanks for watching the video today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one soon. Bye.
It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.